All right, Sully, what are we at now?
We're gonna take the real good broken junkyard motor
Yep.
back out of the car.
From A1 Automotive.
And we're gonna take the heads that we had rebuilt to put on the real broken junkyard motor.
Junkyard.
And your ghetto phone flipped upside down.
What the All right, so we had a little bit of technical issues. The batteries give out in our mechanism. So what were we getting on with, Sully?
I don't know. We'll get the phone fixed now. Alright. So the car had jumped timing, bent all the valves. So we got a good junkyard motor.
Good.
It turned out to be not so good.
Junk.
Junk. So we had to have the heads redone. Because they had drop valve guide and head gaskets, normal Subaru stuff. Had them all done, put the motor all back together, got all running. She got rod knock.
3,000. Well, you've seen the video.
Yeah. Money well wasted.
Money
And
well
time.
wasted.
So what we're gonna do is pull this motor, take the good heads off it, and put them on the old block with the bent valves.
That's right.
Slam them back together.
And
Send
started.
it.
Hopefully it's snowing because they said I wanted to do donuts, which the person that owns the car probably wouldn't like, but hey.
Too cold to do donuts.
All right. Thanks for checking us out again. All right, Sully.
What's up?
There's like 2 seconds and the motor's out. All in the editing and now it's out.
Longer than that.
Was it?
A little bit.
Oh,
A little bit. Less than an hour.
very nice. All the bolts was all worked out this time.
Some of them.
Some of them. And yeah, out again. We wasn't joking. That wasn't just another motor we were playing with to show that it's out.
No, we're just bored.
No, bored.
Drumming nuts.
Oh yeah. So
Drumming nuts.
it's been a routine. So now it's I got a trailer tire on the Super Duty tonight. It's a little bit of a joke we got on the go here. That actually looks pretty cool.
Full truck.
Full truck. Airbagged.
There's a bolt.
Ooh,
Ooh.
mats. Oops.
Edit that.
Nah,
Technical
we're
difficulty.
not editing it. It just fell down. Stuff's allowed to fall down.
Alright. So much less fun.
Say hi.
Alright. Yeah, see, this is.
Yeah, that's what happened to the old one.
That's the old one.
Yeah. Blech. And stop.
This is bad.
Uh.
This is bad.
That's the new one, which is also junk. So, Sully, you taking the heads off the old motor right now?
Now I'm taking the heads off the new motor. Put back on the old motor.
Is that the new motor there?
The new motor.
All right, sorry, I got confused. That was a trick question. You passed? You would have passed anyways.
More. What do you do for your free time?
Sully works on Subaru engines. Well, yep. She is starting to look like a brand new one. She is starting to look like a brand new one. Just gotta clean her all up. She'll be mint. Oh, we didn't change her tire. I gotta fix that. What can I take it off of? You like doing this, Sully?
No.
Oh, sorry.
I don't mind going right.
Oh, he's doing the splits. You got her?
Free.
Nothing.
Just in that fucking one. You're right.
Oh yeah, no big deal. All right, Gibson, you wanted to give the closure for the night or what? Really? Nothing? Come on. You want to talk about the motor? Oh, okay. Oh, come on. You want to sit? Come on. Sit for Dad. Sit. Can you sit? Oh, who's that good? And give me paw. Look at you, bud. Oh, some boy. All right, so update on this thing. This is the two motors combined right now. So that's the block of the old one and the heads of the newer one. And the intake, all that stuff off the original block, I believe, original motor. We were going to put it back in here tonight, but we remembered that the old motor had an oil leak in the rear main seal. So in order to put it in the car, you'd have to take it back out again if it's leaking really bad, and just as well to do it right. But doing it right, we got to wait another night. So next couple nights, hopefully Jay can get out here and we can get this buttoned up, finish anything else, and then put it back in the car. And hopefully she'll go down the road without any knocking sounds or any abnormal sounds, and she'll be a good car. But just a little update on this tonight. Great all night, just never went in the car. Oh well, is what it is. Hey bud, right? Who's that, Sully's jacket? Wait, oh, I'm taking it. No, leave that. Would you look at that? Second attempt?
Second attempt.
Minus the F-bomb. Yeah. Oh well. You don't like the Eric's? Okay. Sully and his checks. Looking good.
Looked good the last two times.
Oh well. Well, at least the Super Duty's good for something. Dead battery, of course. We charged it, and turns out the battery's no good. I was wondering why it took the charge. Nope. Come on. That battery might be dead in the truck too, I don't know. You think?
That's just that heat.
Do sound better, huh? Sounds better than the last one. Ooh, look. Yeah. Leaking? Where's the sound coming from? Ah. It's the engine knock knock, tick tick, bang bang. I got a code reader that won't do nothing. I'll go get it. I'll go get it. Here. That's power. That's power. All right, so passenger side CV joint was bad. The boot was gone. So for some time, so good old boys at Car Quest here on Akerley hooked me up with a. Let me see, Jay. What does that look like? Ooh, shiny. Yeah, so right in the oil.
We need a better maintenance guy to clean up the shop.
That's not fair. That's not nice. Stop clean. But yeah, anyways, we're going to be putting that in and take it for a run, hopefully. Woo.
Can I drive it this hard?
I don't know, but we're going to try. Huh? Feels good. That was actually pretty pippy for an all-wheel drive 2.5 liter 4-cylinder.
Bad car, man.
I know.
This is faster than mine that I drove.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Want to go drag race?
Oh, you found this.
Was I?
Oh, was that good? Mine doesn't make any power till almost 3,000 RPM. You have to be careful when you pull up in front of something like that.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Yeah. Missed them. Yeah, no, that worked pretty good for what it is. So we're working on our combined motors, which worked.
Yeah, I'm really hoping we didn't leave your kids home.
What?
I'm really hoping we didn't leave your kids home.
No, they're gone skating.
If we stop right here, you think we should do a big brake stand?
No. Sounds good.
Maybe Andrew got a carburetor.
Maybe we should get different lights for this car.
That's as good as they get. But
Is it?
actually, if you just go at them with like some rubbing compound,
Yeah.
they'll polish right up.
Yeah.
Polish mine right. But you have to do it like once every couple months. So I do mine. Fucking every
That's high beam. I'd run out of light on this one.
Yeah. Yeah, low beam is like.
Oh yeah, low beam's like I'm gonna hit something. Oh, that's no light.
Yeah, that's dark.
Oh, that's bad. Well, that's not too bad.
That's high beam.
Oh. Yep. So not too bad.
How close are we to Andrew's?
Andrews? 1 minute. All right, so we're here at Andrews. Andrew, do you got a code reader?
No code reader here, buddy. Sorry.
Okay, we're failing on the code reader. So what do you think we gotta do?
Apparently, all Andrew stuff works.
I highly doubt it.
I like that you laugh.
Most of the stuff I have doesn't need a code reader.
No, can't accept the code reader.
If it don't run, it don't need a code reader.
That was a good one.
You don't need a code reader.
All right.
I can do it.
So that's all we can do tonight then. But this was fun.
Yeah.
It was a brisk ride.
Yes.
It was brisk.
It was spirited.
It's spirited.
Yeah, at least you got heat.
Whoever owns the car, we're sorry. It wasn't that spirited. We had to make sure it worked.
They're not gonna watch it.